जरूरत है तो यह वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत यूजफुल है। In this video, we explain Kissht Instant Personal Loan, how to apply, eligibility, documents, and complete step-by-step process. You can get a credit line up to 2 lakh rupees with a 100% digital process, no paperwork, and fast approval. Loan details. Loan amount, up to 2 lakh rupees tenure, 6 to 24 months. Interest rate, 14% 20% per annum. Process, 100% Digital KYC. Disbursal, within few hours. Eligibility criteria. Age, 21, 58 years. Income, 30,000 rupees jor monthly. Indian resident. CIBIL Score, 700 jor preferred document required documents. PAN card, Aadhaar Card, address proof, income proof, salary slip, employment letter, cell phone step-by-step process. Download Kissht app, click on apply now, complete KYC via Aadhaar OTP, upload selfie. Enter personal or employment details, add bank account or set up auto debit, get instant approval or money in your account. Loan amount will be transferred within few hours after approval. Karyalay ki imarat. About Lendinet Financial Consultant Private Limited. We help you get personal loan, business loan, credit card, loan against property. Phone contact 9,732,707,100. Prithvi website https://dsa support.lendinetfinance.com/